Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled cabbage for pupusas. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 medium head of green cabbage, 2 large carrots, and 1 small white onion. For the brine, prepare 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. These simple components will create a delicious and tangy accompaniment for your pupusas. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Begin by finely shredding your medium head of green cabbage. Next, grate the 2 large carrots and thinly slice the small white onion. After shredding, it is important to rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water. This step helps to clean the cabbage and remove any bitterness, ensuring a fresh and crisp curtido. Drain it very well. Next, we will craft the flavorful pickling brine. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld. Once it reaches a boil, immediately remove it from the heat. For the final steps, combine your prepared vegetables with the warm pickling brine in a large mixing bowl. Make sure all the cabbage, carrots, and onions are fully submerged in the liquid. This ensures even pickling and maximum flavor absorption. Allow the curtido to rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature before serving. For best results, chill it for a few hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.